Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking a Croque Madame. This is an amazing dish for a weekend breakfast or a late night snack. To start, we need to make the sandwich. To 2 slices of crusty bread, add a layer of Swiss cheese. Then a layer of ham. The ham I'm using is fresh off the bone, it doesn't get any better than that. Followed by another layer of Swiss cheese. To the other slice of bread, add a layer of Dijon mustard. Make sure to spread it to all sides. Place on top. Next we need to make a bechamel sauce. First add a tablespoon of butter. Once melted, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Cook for 2 minutes, this will stop the sauce from tasting like flour. What we've created here is called a roux. Next add 1 cup of milk. Heat until the milk starts to simmer and thickens. Season with salt and pepper. Also add half a teaspoon of nutmeg for a little extra flavour. It should be thick but runny. Place a pan over medium heat, add a small amount of butter. Coat the pan with the butter. Place the sandwich in the middle of the pan so it can brown. I like to have my pan on a lower heat so it gives the cheese time to melt without burning the sandwich. Add a little more butter before flipping to brown the other side. Next, fry an egg sunny side up. Cook until the whites firm up around the yolk. Then pour that beautiful sauce all over the sandwich. Make sure it's fully coated. Top with some grated cheese. Then place it under the grill so the cheese can melt and brown. All that's left to do is to serve it up. Place the fried egg on top and there you have it, a Croque Madame. This is so damn tasty. It's rich with flavour, creamy and crunchy. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.